Hi, my name is Tara Clapper. I am the Digital Marketing Specialist with Navy STP, and I'm joined today by Steve Brennan and Dave Tribble from Premier Solutions. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a bunch of questions for you about your experience in Navy STP, and I'm really hoping that your responses can help others decide how this program might benefit them should they be eligible to participate. So please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your company and your technology. We'll start with you, Steve.
Thanks, Tara. My name is Steve Brennan. I'm the Director of Business Development for Premier Solutions Hawaii. We're a Hawaii-based small business, woman-owned, and we've been active in the Navy SBIR program for a couple of years. And we are very proud to be able to say that through the Navy STP program, we were able to transition our very first awarded Phase 1 SBIR to Phase 3 within a 2.5-year period. Mr. Tribble.
Hi, my name is Dave Tribble. I'm the program manager for the SBIRs we're doing here at Premier, and I have to say it's been great. It's been a wonderful experience to be able to go down to the Navy, talk to these folks, do this applied research that SBIR is, and come up with products that they look at and they say, "Can I have it now? I want to use it here." So we're just thrilled to be part of that and to give the Navy something that they're interested in using.
Wonderful, thank you. And Dave, can you tell me a bit about the type of technology that the Navy ended up using?
Absolutely. It'd be a little surprising, especially to the younger generation, the millennials, that the Navy's been challenged to use barcoding in a lot of places. Our topic with the SBIR was to bring barcoding into food management. And we've worked alongside them with that to try and not only give them something to use with to provide the barcoding, but also to do process improvement so that they're not actually taking paper and pencil processes into the digital age. So we're actually taking cell phones and we're taking scanner guns and putting them together so that we can just help them go down, scan things on the scan and count on the pier, as opposed to writing it down, going back and typing it in. And that's been a major portion of what we've done. Sounds simple, but when you get into the processes and the way the Navy does things, they've got a lot of things they need to keep track of, and especially audit. And so that's what we brought to the table. And this, everybody who's seen it so far says, "Can I use it, please?"
Fantastic. And Steve, how did Navy STP assist you in transitioning your technology?
Well, being a small business in Hawaii, it's a big investment for us to socialize our technology to different customers within the Navy. It requires us getting on planes, and it's a long flight to anywhere from where we live, except for Pearl Harbor, which we have great connections at, and we were able to connect real users, sailors, do some user testing, and through the help of the Navy STP program, show the results of all of our research and the results of all of the user testing, and to influential people within the Navy's Naval Supply Systems Command and Fleet Forces and Naval Information Warfare Command. STP program really became a one-stop shop for us to talk to the important people in the Navy about our technology.
What did the program teach you, and what was the most useful part of it?
So the STP program really has a very structured process of building the materials that are necessary to brief senior leaders within the Navy on a technology, and they make it easy to develop those materials, and will coach you through the process so that when you do get your window of opportunity to brief a program manager for your specific technology, you're prepared and you're not going to waste either the program manager's time or your own.
And Dave, were there any particular events or opportunities that you felt were particularly pivotal for your success while you were in the program?
Well, following up on what Steve said, the opportunity to refine your pitch, to get it together is excellent. And, you know, having them provide pointers on what not to do, especially, but being able to walk into a room where you have the decision makers from so many of the organizations that we're trying to pitch to. Not only does it help you with your pitch, but it opens your eyes as to the opportunities. And realistically, when they start feeding back what they need, some of the things they require, it broadens your opportunity. So getting to the STP event, talking to the program managers that are there was just an excellent thing, and something that you can't buy that. You can't just walk into somebody's office on your own. And STP opens the door for you.
Fantastic. And Steve, would you recommend Navy STP to prospective participants?
Oh, absolutely. I think for companies that haven't done an SBIR, STP is a really valuable way to learn, how to get from phase 1 to phase 3. Even if you're a company that has been successful through all the phases and has existing contracts with the Navy, the connections that you make through the STP program can't be replicated, and it's really a very well-structured program for any small business that's looking to do business with the Navy.
And Dave, do you have any specific advice for prospective participants so that they can maximize their success in this program?
Oh, absolutely. Get yourself down to a 15-second pitch. Make sure that when you're telling somebody your story, that you're telling them why it's valuable and what the benefits are to them. And STP will help you do that. They'll help you refine your pitch down to those points, because your job is to get somebody interested in you. Your job is not to explain tech.
And Tara, if I might add, the most best advice we can give is remember that this is about the warfighter, and developing the technology is not the end game. The end game is to provide technology to the Navy warfighter who is out there having to do their job every day, and that's what STP will help remind you, and that's why it's a great program.
Thank you so much, and we will be sure to direct any of our viewers to your website for more information if they're interested in your technology or your success. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks very much. Don't just come to our website. Please come visit us in Hawaii. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aloha.
Mahalo.